I don't think people understand how easy beef machado can be. Let's cook up a storm in just 60 seconds. Start with 2 pounds of beef chuck. Cut it into chunks. Next, grab a bowl and mix soy sauce, lemon juice, and minced garlic. Marinate the beef for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, chop up some onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Heat oil in a large pot and brown the marinated beef. Then, toss in the onions and tomatoes. Pour in beef broth and tomato sauce. Add bay leaves, salt, and pepper. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for an hour. Add the bell peppers and potatoes. Cook until the veggies are tender. And there you have it. Beef machado, ready to enjoy. Delicious, hearty, and super easy. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.